Hello friends, I'm Joana from Joana Miranda Studio, and this is my video series, Art Bag, Time-Saving Tips and Tricks. When I illustrate, I often find that I enter into a state of flow with my illustrations, and being in that state of flow is an awfully nice place to be. Now, I can't illustrate 24 hours a day, but I have found some other activities that similarly help put me into a state of flow and help my creativity as a result. And I'm going to share what those activities are with you today. One of the most important ways for me to clear my head and get a happier perspective is to simply go for a walk in the fresh air outside. I find that I do some of my best creative thinking when I'm out walking, and I don't have to actually be focused on what I plan to create or what a problem is in some illustration project that I'm doing, but just by getting outside into the fresh air and having a higher ceiling over my head often brings solutions that I never expected. Another way I try to tap into that state of flow is simply by meditating. I meditate every day for 20 minutes, and sometimes my meditations are terrible and my mind bounces all over the place. Sometimes they're better and I can actually calm my mind and not be so distracted. But even on the terrible days when my mind is flitting around, I do remind myself that the fact that I'm just sitting and not doing anything, not worrying about a to-do list, I'm just allowing myself or forcing myself to sit for 20 minutes doing nothing is going to do some good, and it does an incredible amount of good. Recently, I found yet another way to tap into my state of flow, and that is little Ziggy, our new toy Bob kitten. So meet Ziggy, who just woke up from a nap, but I think you can say that we're both pretty happy to be together. And that's it for today's Art Bag Time-Saving Tips and Tricks video. Remember that I post these videos every Monday and Friday. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider giving it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, maybe do so, and don't forget to toggle on the little bell so that you get a notification every single time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching.